What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Yeah, and I'm your host P Fry, aka P the Hard Way, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna go around the camera, come back in shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for the theatre. So let's do it. Oh, I'm in shot. You already see what we're doing here, my beautiful people. Let me just give you the little RJ to the twirl, the twirl to the RJ, boom, bang, bosh. Twirl to the RJ to the twirl, guys. All right, should we get into it? Let's get into it. You already know what it is. Guys, today we have this Stone Island Membrana 3L TC. Now, for those of you that remember, been with me from the beginning, you'll remember I think the second jacket I ever did was a Membrana 3L TC with the tape seams, you know, the dust colored one. But yeah, anyway, that was then. This is now. Guys, we have this beautiful Membrana 3L TC from last season. I think it's like summer, yeah, summer, winter, or spring, summer season. Spring, summer, summer, winter, spring, summer season. And yeah, it's in this beautiful, resplendent rose quartz, I believe is the colorway. Yum, yum, yum. I saw this and I was like, I need to have it. You know, I've been counting the pennies of late, but you know, certain things we need to grab when we see them because we love them. And this is one of them. So we get into it. Let's get into it. Let's start at the cuff arches, guys. Cuff arches, left hand side, right hand side, equilibrium sitting, beautiful thing. Of course, you've got these thinly ribbed cuff arches right there, you know, elasticated, so you've got a bit of room, a bit of purchase, a bit of give. Put your hands in, don't do that. You're going to have a baggy cuff in the end, so just leave it as it is. Put your wrist through and be done. Don't be putting no 4 fingers, 5 fingers in. You know what I mean? It's too much, guys. It's too much. So cuff arches, super lovely, tidy, beautiful. Let's step back, shall we? There's my waist. Now we're going to zip up. Okay, there's my waist. Comes just below my waist. A nice cheeky little bomber jacket kind of fit, shall we call this. This is like a bomber jacket fit, I'd say, so we'll call this a little bomber jacket. Really nice. Of course, guys, that color is resplendent, that rose quartz. I'm just giving you that little Now to the touch, it's like the nylon-y, you know. Today, like today, do not wear a jacket like this because you will be baking like I am, like a pig in a blanket. That's what I'm doing right now. But again, for you guys, I will sweat, I will bake, and I will shake and shake. I don't know, guys. Anyway, lovely. Of course, I said zip up. You see the zip gives you this black zip strip going all the way through. I tend not to really like differential zip strips, so really if this was pink I might be a bit happier, but it's fine. Do the black, can't complain, it's okay. You know what I'm saying? Okay, left hand side, right hand side. Equilibrium is not a beautiful thing. Here you see you got your pen holders. For those of you that walk around with your pens, you know, maybe you're on site, you're a foreman, you need to keep a pen in there. Voila, one goes in there, one goes in there, and one goes in there. You can have a Bic, a Parker, and I don't know, maybe some other fancy pen or a pencil, a HB pencil in there, and then you've got yourself covered. Maybe you have a Sharpie, a Parker, and a HB pencil. You're good to go. You know what I'm saying? Of course, my beautiful people, I see what you're seeing, you see what I'm seeing. Look at this. Yes, not just your usual label on, sorry, not just your usual badge on the sidearm. This time you've got a cheeky little side pocket, and this is what made me grab it. That little side pocket, you could keep a couple sacks of gold, couple sacks of silver, and if you're not doing too well, maybe 3 or 5 sacks of copper. You know what I mean? In they go, zip up, you're good to go. Of course, the simple badge, simple in all its simplicity, nothing special except that it's special. And of course, you've got your accoutrements. So you see what it says there: anti-drop finish, garment dyed, membrane bonding, breathable, water resistance, wind resistance. It's got it all, mate. It's got it all. Voila. Say perfect. Good to go. What else? Give you the twirl to the RJ to the twirl. Really nice, guys. Like I said, don't wear this in a day like today. You will be sweating, and yeah, there's not much you can do about it after that. Now, looking inside, you see that nice sort of quartz blue coloration, which I like. You know, a little different feel. Even though it's inside, I do like that they've chosen a different colorway inside. Now, of course, you've got your Stone Island label. This is all a bit damp now because I've sweated my brains out. Of course, guys, you've got your Stone Island insignia there, etc. Voila, voila. Guys, I picked this up in the sale because, you know, like I say, we love a sale. And yeah, I just had to grab this one. There you go. There's your little label right there. It says Stone Island Membrana 3L TC. Voila. Super nice. You got your bonded membranes there, you know, to keep the water out, a little bit of water resistance. Just on the old back there, let me show you this bit right there. Gives you a nice little lift up and, you know, a little breathable bit right there, you know, just for a little bit of air when it gets a bit hot. So there's no secret hood or anything. It's just for that little breathability right there. Super beautiful jacket, this, guys. I picked this up in a medium. I normally wear a large, but this medium is perfect. You know, if I picked it up in a different size, it will be a bit too big, and you know, it won't fit as perfect as it fits right now. So yeah, guys, this is such a lovely jacket. Of course, you know, you see the cuff edges, the color, a little differential right there. Really, really nice. If I get the chance to pick this up in a couple colors, I will, because I love a jacket like this. This is my kind of thing. Just a nice, simple, don't always have to have a hood and 50 pockets, you know, just something really simple, and this is that. So guys, yeah, not much more to say other than I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts. Has any one of you picked up this? Have you picked up any from the sale? Let me know, guys. It's been a while and I'm trying to come back and bring you stuff, you know. So here I am. Guys, this has been a Membrana 3L TC by Stone Island. I've been your host, P Fire, aka P is for Photon. I don't know, Photon. And this has been Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. And of course, this has been nice bit of kit that I forgot to say that, and you guys have been beautiful. So please share, like, subscribe, guys. Like I said, I'm trying to get this channel to the next level, so I'm gonna need all of your help. Please like, please subscribe, please share, you know. And yeah, let's do this, guys. Thank you for all your support so far. It's good to be back. I'm sweating buckets. I'm about to go have a cold bevy, and yeah, you guys have been the best. So stay dope, stay fly. I've got more stuff coming for you, and yeah, I'm gonna see you on the flip side. All right, my gang, peace.